How does Dalian look at sunset? Let's fly up and see. We lift off, the drone goes higher and higher. The sky turns gold and orange. Tall buildings stand by the hills. Below us is DMU, Dalian Maritime University. Red and white buildings curve around the field. The running track is bright red. Tennis court glow in the light. Campus is quiet as evening comes. We move forward over the city. Many towers stand in long lines. Roads run between trees. Homes climb up the small hills. Windows shine with the last light. Shadows grow long, clouds turn pink, the city looks soft and warm. We turn back toward Lingshui Town. Country yard and rooftop pass under us. Street lights switch on one by one. Now we face the sea. A long bridge reaches over the water towards small Iceland. The bay is calm and smooth. Paths wind through green trees, students walk home. Now we come down slowly. Mountains turn into dark shapes. The sun drops behind them. Thanks for watching the sunset flight over the Dalian Maritime University and Lingshui Town. Please like, subscribe and share. Comment your favorite moment. See you in the next time.